Okay, so yeah, let me bring up my screen right now. Just tell me whether this is your resume or not.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Your resume says almost you have 4+ years of experience in SAP FICO and S4HANA. So first of all, I would like to know your skill set, experience, and share your details right now.
Yeah, this is Sri working as a SAP FICO consultant in one of the MNC-based companies. So in that, I have involved in the two implementation project and one supporting project. In the implementation project, I have done the electronic bank statement configurations and foreign currency evaluations and GST configurations, withholding tax configurations, and FITMM integrations when happened, and SD integrations also, and I will involve in the Cutover activities while doing the final preparations, and in the supporting project I'm handling the tickets, and I'm supporting to the end users if in case when they face any issues.
Okay. So have you involved implementation projects in SAP S4HANA? Yes,
Yes.
S4HANA, right?
Yes.
So generally, what methodology you have used to implement this SAP S4HANA?
Yeah, actually in SSA they're using the ASAP methodology. In S4HANA they're using the Activate methodology, but we used ASAP methodology in SSA.
Yes. You haven't involved in S4HANA implementation?
S4HANA also they're using the Activate methodology.
Okay.
Yes, I
Tell
have
me what are the phases?
project related to S4HANA.
Okay, tell me what are the phases are there and which phase you have involved in SAP S4HANA Activate methodology?
Activate methodology. First phase is disc off phase. Second phase is preparation phase. Third phase is development phase. Fourth phase is third phase is explore phase. Fourth phase is realization phase. Fifth phase is deployment phase. Sixth phase is run phase.
Okay, what is the duration for this realization phase? Realize phase?
We can check in the fit gaps, right, in the realization, any differences in the SAP standard applications and the client requirements.
Okay, fine. Now, what is the duration for this realization phase?
1 or 2 months.
1 or 2 months? Realization
We
means
will involve in the final preparation stage and go live up to go live realization phase and final preparation stage, and we involve in that three phases. We don't involve because we are in the English level, right?
okay.
Concept.
So have you involved in the cutover activities?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Tell me what are the cutover strategy? Like
Yeah,
what?
before go live, so we'll move all the data to the SAP. So non-Lexis Lexis system to SAP, right? So we'll get the TB from the client. So we'll flow all the details. Suppose the client having they started business in the 2010 to up to today, 29th September. We'll get the TB up to 31st August. So up to these 10 years, we will flow the data in the cutover data. So that is called cutover date, and what is the we will get the TB from the client, so that we will upload in the SAP based on the transaction wise and master data wise, and third one open client activities is there, so we'll involve in that.
So how you upload this data from non-SAP to SAP?
Through LSMW or LTMC they're using.
Okay. So tell me the LSMW steps. Like 14 steps will be there. You just tell. So what are the steps you was implemented? Like how you started LSMW to upload the data.
Yes, I know LSMW, but I never involved in the LSMW uploading pattern.
Okay, then how you upload it? These cutover activities to the SAP system.
I have involved in the open client activities. In that, we'll do directly in the production, right?
Okay.
From they will upload.
Integration part of FITMM integration.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me. So how the FITMM integration will happen and what factors should consider?
FITMM integration happened at what was that? Goods receipt stage. So in that P2P cycle, first we will one first step is one second. I'm getting confused. First step is we need a material requirement planning. In that second stage is purchase requisition note, and third stage is we will select the vendor. Then we will send the quotation. We will receive the quotation from the vendor. Then we will receive the purchase. We will send the purchase order to the vendor. In that ME21 we will raise the purchase order. So based on that. MEGO will happen, goods receipt. In that one entry will come inventory account data to GRIR clearing account. In the inventory and GRIR, it will come automatically. We have to do one configurations or account determination under OBYC. So in that BSX, we will give the inventory GL account. It will come automatically, and GRIR WRX under this transaction key. So we will give these GL accounts. Then next stage is invoice receipt. In that invoice receipt, will post in the MIRO. In that one entry will come. That is GRIR account debit and to vendor account credit. So GRIR account also it will come automatically, and if you select the vendor, then bank clearing account entry will happen. Bank clearing account, vendor account add to bank clearing account. After that, we will upload the electronic bank statement. In the reconciliation stage, it will nullify.
Question is how the GL account should be assigned in OBYC, what factors?
So based on the valuation modifier, valuation class, and moment types, and transaction keys.
Tell me some moment types.
Yes, moment types: goods receipt 101, reversal of goods receipt 102, and goods sent to the production orders 261, and scrapping of goods 551, and initial stock upload 561.
Okay, while issuing the goods to the customer, what is the journal entry?
Issuing goods to the customer, right?
Yes.
So it's happened at the billing stage, I think.
Tell me the journal entry for that.
Issue goods to the customer means inventory is going from us, right? So customer, what was that? Cost of goods sold account to inventory account.
Okay, you are telling about PGI, post goods issue, right? Okay.
Yeah.
For post goods issue, the journal entry is cost of goods sold account to inventory. For cost of goods sold, what is the general modifier you will take?
General modifier GBB.
GBP for the general, what is the account key for that GBP? Which one?
GBB. You're talking about cost of goods sold.
Yeah,
GBB only, right? Transaction key.
general modifier we need to give, right?
Yes, general modifier we need to give.
Okay, that is what next? In OBYC setting, how we will do that? First, we need to take valuation modifier. After that, general modifier. What next?
Tax code like that, right? Tax code one.
OBYC no tax code.
No. We have to assign
VAX account VAX. Okay, fine.
OX. You're talking account determination. You're talking, right?
Yeah, but GBA we need to take
VK01, I think.
No,
VK0A. VK0A.
No, ma'am. Yeah, I'm asking. Let me see my screen.
Yes.
Post goods issue, right?
Yes, post goods issue.
So what is the entry? Cost of
goods sold account data to inventory account.
Cost of goods sold account debit inventory, right?
Yes.
For cost of goods sold, you will take GBB. For
Yes.
this VAX, okay, you need to take VAX. This is BSX. You need to select general modifier. Whenever you select the general modifier, you need to take VAX for this time.
Okay, fine. Actually, I thought it was
Okay, tell me how the FITSD integration will be happened and what are the factors should consider while assigning the GL accounts.
Yeah, FITSD integration happened at the billing stage. So in that entry, how it will come means customer account data to sales account. So that entry will come. So what are the factors we have to consider means the condition type, chart of accounts, and moment type for material, moment type for customer group.
There is no type there.
Application type, condition type, chart
Yeah.
of accounts.
Application type, condition type, what next? Chart of accounts, sales organization.
Yeah, sales organization, material group, as material group, customer group is coming.
And assigning the account key. For accounting key, we need to assign the GL account.
Yeah.
Tell me what are the conditions are there in condition type.
Sales purchases one standard is there, I think. Condition type. That is, I think, application type.
OS settings. I'm asking condition.
Condition type.
What are the conditions?
KFI standard warranty one is there, I think. KF. Is that correct? KFI.
KOFI and KOFK condition. What is the difference between these two?
I don't have any idea on this.
Okay.
I know this condition will give KFI like that.
Okay. So, have you involved in support project?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, tell me some critical issues which you have faced during the support project.
Not that much critical issues, but will involve in the day-to-day work. If in case in the automated payment programs, if in case the payment method is not given, they suppose they're posting any foreign currency invoices, that currency is not assigned to the payment methods. Then if in case any changes in the master data, we can't run the payment automatic payment programs like that. If you come to the GL side, newly introduced one concept, right? A new GL concept. So in that also legislated one issues will come, tolerance group issues will come, and if you come to the cash discounts related issues will come, payment related, and if you come to the GST related, some if in case we are not given the correct GL mapping, it will come the errors.
Okay, tell me what kind of critical issue means like you faced a lot giving the resolution for the ticket.
Logic wise, recently one trading partner, then if you come to the open line items, BL1 and BL5 and that customer vendor GL's open items, we want to see the based on the trading partners. Okay, so the trading partners as a standard applications, there is no trading partners, so we are just working on that with the abapus. I need the trading partner in the open line items while seeing that. And GST also, if you see the BL1 and vendor line items, there is no GST number, right, in the SAP standard application. So we need that GST number in the line item. So for that, we will sit with the abapers and will be the logic function specifications, and they will work, and we will do the some testings. We'll send the to the higher authority.
Okay. What is your approach while resolving the issue?
What is the approach or resolving the issue means, suppose end user face any issue while doing the month-end activities, so he will raise one ticket in the service node. So if in case that is going to, by seeing the ticket, we can come to know that whether it is service related, whether it is a change request, whether it is a normal ticket like that, or if in case that ticket is going to close within 4 days, that is the that we can close it. But if in case any changes we have to do in the configuration part, we have to move into change request, and that change request we have to change request we have to create in the service now. For that we need to take from the IT related approvals and business related approvals. After that we will involve in the we will do the configurations. In case anything required from the developer side, also we'll send the functional specification document to the developers, and we will work on the customer's request, and they will work on the development. They will work on the workbench. We will work on the development servers, and after that we'll do the unit testings. Then we will move to the quality by using the charm tool. Then what happened? Then I will do the unit testings. If in case everything is fine, I will move to the production.
Okay. So have you involved in automated payment program? Doing configurations, testing, etc.
Yes.
Tell me what kind of scenarios you have faced in APP.
Yeah, scenarios. Scenarios means that one. If in case we already run the one run payment run, so we are using next without completing that payment run. Again, we are using for another payments. It will come. Error will come. And another thing is, if in case that GL is, suppose bank GL is not assigned to the payment method, so that type of errors will come when posting the foreign invoices.
Not asking the errors. I'm asking about the scenarios, like what kind of scenarios he was implemented in APP.
Scenarios means what? Oh, wait. Scenarios means we will clear the foreign payment invoices, down payment related invoices, and credit memos, debit memos. Then GST related invoices, withholding tax invoices, and cash discounts, and don't like that only. POs, non-POs invoices.
Okay, let's say for example, I have 10 invoices. Okay, out of 10 invoices, 5 invoices are foreign currency related, and 5 invoices are related to India. So then, how you can clear what kind of configurations needed for this requirement in APP?
In the foreign currency invoices, it will. I have to do first in the bank determinations. I have to give the currency type, USD currency, which currency I'm going to do the payment. So I have to give the two currencies. One is INR and another one is USD currency. So I have to give the currency in the payment method. Payment method in country we have to give. We have to give that. Under bank determination, we have to change the currencies.
Okay.
Then it will come automatically.
Select some fields, right, in the configuration, payment method for country, payment method for company code.
Yeah.
Currency field we need to foreign currency bank account. And in the bank determination for the payment method. Okay.
Yeah, payment methods we have to check the payment.
Okay. So have you involved EBS?
Yeah, sir.
What is the algorithm?
Algorithm interpretation, it shows the open line items of the banking transactions. It's a logic. It's a functional logic. It shows the open line items of banking transactions.
What is the logic? What is the logic about?
What is the logic? I don't know, but it will shows the open line items of the bank reconciliation. Right, we're forming the bank reconciliation.
Okay. Okay. Like which format generally used for EBS?
Different companies they're using multi-cache BI, but we are using the MT940 format. It's a file or text format.
Okay. So tell about MT940 format.
Yeah, yes, actually MT940 they'll send we are using the one bank, so they're sending through email, or we can get it from by downloading in the portal. So we don't change the MT940. If in case any issue with that, we can send it to the bank only. Here MT940 some format is there for
What else?
tag numbers.
MT940.
Display the tag numbers.
What
Yes,
are
sir.
the
Sorry,
items
sir.
will be there in the MT940 format?
What are the
What are the items, like what contained by items?
tags? Tag it disclose with tag numbers. 20, 20, 20 disclose the what was that account account statement date. 25 disclose the account number. 25C disclose the statement, how many statements were taken, and next 60 of opening balances, and 61 relating to external transaction type. 86 relating to additional information. 62 F to closing balances.
So do you know about DME concept?
DME I know, but knowledge and I know, but DME tree and all they used to take 2 3 months or so. I know whole concept, payment medium program, the file format taking, then the same format maintaining in the payment methods, and auto check and all.
What
DME I know.
to do in OBPM4?
Sorry.
What we generally do in OBPM4 FICO?
OBPM4 we used to create the variant. So like IDOC we are having the one format, right? So like that only we have to create a format for DME. So we are sending to the bank, right? While uploading the only it is applicable to vendor payments. So when we are sending to the bank server, the DME tree, we need one structure, right? Like IDOC. So for that we need to create the variant under
What is
OBPM.
between IDOCs and DME?
Yeah, IDOC they're using for both transfer of data from SAP to non-SAP. It's vice versa for payment purpose also. But DME using for only for vendor payments. Data medium exchange. Then data medium exchange will send to the PI team interface team. The PI interface team will they'll send to the bank server. Bank they will clear the all open items based on the automatic payment program.
What are the items will be there in the data records? Tell me some fields in the data records.
Data records. Data records. What you're talking? IDOC, right? Data records consistence business partner, the number IDOC number, business partner type. I know 2 things on
Tell me what kind of records will be there in the IDOC.
control records, data records, status records. Control records says business partner type. You are asking data records, right? Data records consistence of the data of the vendor or customer related.
It's segment, madam. Child segments and parent segments. Okay, containing the master data and transaction data. What you are processing through IDOC. Okay, so tell me what is the T code for business partner? Like you want to create a partner profile. So like what kind of T code generally?
BP only, right? Business in the S4HANA we are using BP only for T code.
I'm asking about IDOC stuff. Okay, in IDOC, tell me a business partner profile. So how you create the business partner profile? Partner profile.
How we will create partner profile? I heard, but I forgot this.
Okay. So how you will troubleshoot the IDOCs?
How you?
How you will troubleshoot IDOCs?
Can
Let's
you
say,
speak?
if you got
Can you
any other,
speak loudly? Can you speak loudly?
let's say, for example, if you got any other from the end user, then how you will troubleshoot?
How you will do? Suppose if in case any issue, I'll check in the status, right? We'll do the whether it is functional related. We can check that if it's any technical related, we'll send to the developer. If in case whether the issue is resolved or not, we can check in the BD87 reprocess IDOC.
Okay. Okay, this is end of the interview. That's fine from my side. Okay, is there any question from your side?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Sumit, how are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sumit, so have you heard about today's interview?
Yes, sir.
How is this interview?
Yeah, sir. It is best, sir.
Okay. See guys, today we discussed about this areas, cutover activities, realization phase, LSMW, FI to integration, automatic payment program, and some account determination what VKOA and OBIC settings as a support for it. So we discussed about these areas. Okay, regarding the implementation, Sri didn't explain properly. Sri didn't explain cutover activities like how you can implement how the data migration will happen from non-SAP to SAP. What is the cutover strategy for your company? What is the duration of this cutover activities? It didn't explain properly. Okay. So cutover activities generally take 8 months. Okay, 6 to 8 months max. And you need to upload the master data. Like, so what is the master data? GL open items, vendor open items. Sorry, the GL master, vendor master, customer master, asset master. Okay, cost elements, cost centers, profit center. And what are the transactional data? GL open item, GL balances, GL cleared item, GL balances, vendor open item, cleared balance, customer acquisitions, depreciation. Okay, all this should have plan, right? So these data should be uploaded through LSMW or LTMC if it is S4HANA, LTMC if it is LSMW. Then we need to upload these activities through LSMW or any customized program we need to develop with our ABAP. So these things we didn't explain properly. So you told that you was involved in a migration activities for uploading LSMW to LSMW. So what are the 14 steps involved? That things you didn't explain. Okay, 14 steps you need to tell to the interviewer. That was missed out. Okay, what is assign file? What is read file? Okay, so check it out. 14 steps, and also you need to check the journal entries after uploading this program. Okay, like you upload vendor master, what is the journal entry? Will be affected. Those things you didn't explain. So try to explain these 14 steps and journal entries. And realization phase. So you told only 2 months, but realization phase is complete configuration. Complete configuration will not be done in 2 months. It will take almost 10 months, 12, 14 months around. Okay. So this was not explained properly in realization phase. You have done so many configurations that is not possible in 2 months. Check this duration and prepare this as per your resume. Okay, so whatever the skills that you have presented in the resume, the same you need to tell, and but it is not 2 months, it's almost 10 months. You have configured all those stuff for implementation. Okay, and so you need to tell to the interview. I was involved in the realize phase, prepare phase. Okay, but in the prepare phase, I was involved in the testing activities and data migration activities. In the realization phase, I was done some configurations. That the configurations you need to tell to the interviewer what you put in the resume. Okay. Regarding this LSMW, you didn't prepare these 14 steps, and journal entries. I think I already given one entry material, so please check. And if you go to my English channel, so 45 workshop videos are there. Every time I'm telling you guys, so please prepare these 45 workshop videos, and definitely we will answer all of the questions. But I didn't see you guys are prepared well. S4HANA. So this is new channel. Almost 45 videos are uploaded here. You just to check it out.
very important concept in real time. Okay, so far we have discussed about.
Just go to playlist. So almost 45 workshop videos are uploaded. So Sri, have you prepared this?
Yeah,
Have you prepared or not?
6 only prepared. 5 to 6 only prepared.
Then that's the reason you are not able to give a proper answer to the interview. Okay, so prepare well. This is not sufficient at all. And while asking about FIT-MM integration, you didn't explain properly. You're telling P2P cycle. So my question is FIT-MM integration. You need to tell only FIT-MM integration. If my question is P2P, then you need to tell about inter P2P process. So if I ask about the FIT-MM integration, FIT-MM integration happened at the goods receipt entries, inventory account R to GRIR, inventory transaction key is BSX, GRIR transaction key is WRX. For BSX and GRIR, and GL accounts should be automatic, and these two GL accounts need to assign in OBOSA. Here we need to consider these factors like valuation class, valuation modifier, general modifier, and the movement type transaction key. So like that you need to tell. That was missed out. And you need to explain what is the difference between valuation class and valuation modifier and general modifier, and what is account key for respect to general modifier. Then explain this. Okay. So while assigning the general modifier for GBB, what is account key we need to give? This was missed out. Okay. And you just to prepare the movement types, that was good. But after movement type, some of the transactions like for each movement type, there is journal entry will be there that you need to prepare well for the respective journal entry. What is the valuation class? What is the general modifier? Respect to account key, you need to prepare. So have you involved in workshop last class? Have you involved in the workshop like last time? I think 6 days back, either 2 weeks back, we have taken workshop. Have you involved?
Yeah, yes, sir.
There I clearly explained and also shared some materials. Please check. Okay. And regarding this automated payment program, asked about the real-time scenario, but you are telling general errors. Okay. So we just talk about the real-time scenarios list I already shared. Okay, almost 10-15 scenarios already shared. Okay, so you didn't look at that scenarios maybe. Please check like 1 minute. Again, I'm sharing those scenarios to you. Oh yes, this one. I'll share real-time scenarios, and also we have discussed so many scenarios in the class, like how the automatic payment program clear foreign currency and the local currency invoices, how the card discount we will give, how the card down payments we will do. Just need to explain those things in detail. So, but while asking about the support project, what kind of errors you have dealt, so you are telling everything in a single word, that is not sufficient. You need to elaborate those things. So these are all scenarios we discussed. Just at least put one scenario and give like this answer. Okay, just to put 1 or 2 scenarios and give the respective scenario answer like this. This is the scenario. What is the answer for this? So you need to tell at least 1 or 2 scenarios in brief. Then there may be chances. But you are telling everything in one word, that is not sufficient. Okay, so tell the scenario in proper way. And this is the scenario I got from the end user. They raised the P3 ticket and how this issue has been resolved. Those things you need to tell to the interviewer. Okay, and regarding this VKOA settings, I asked about what kind of factors we should consider while assigning the GL accounts in VKOA. The application, condition type, chart of account, sales organization, account assignment group for material, account assignment group for customer, and GL accounts. Like for ERL,
account key, sir.
yeah, ERL, ERF, ERS, okay, ERB. You need to explain those things, okay. So, like what is ERL, what is ERB, what is ERS? At the time of creation of billing document, what kind of errors will come? So, if you not maintain conditions, tax conditions, pricing conditions not maintained properly or not updated, or any tax code is given incorrectly in the conditions, or account assignment group for material not assigned the material master, account assignment group for customer not assigned the customer master. Okay, so these kind of like billing document will not be generated that time. So you will have to check this. And regarding this, the condition types, what are the condition types we have? KYFI and KYFK. Account determination without CO and account determination with the CO. With the CO means an controlling module is activated, internal order, cost centers, profit centers, product costing is activated. Then we need to select the KYFK condition. So like that, your explanation should be realistic and understandable. But that was missed out. Okay. And regarding the support project, you need to tell the critical issues means. So critical issues means you tell nothing critical issues. It is never happened. So if you are in the support project, definitely you will face the critical issues. Critical means the SAP end user needs urgent. We need to provide the solution urgent and it should be challenging. So tell one scenario, like one issue.
Mobile net.
Was very urgent and that we need to give to the end and that we need to provide solution to the end user. That scenario you need to elaborate at least one scenario, one issue you need to elaborate. So elaboration is missing out. And in automated payment program, payment method, payment block, minimum amount not reached. Okay, and GL accounts not assigned. Okay, these kind of things. Okay, but you tell once one error that should be critical and very challenging. So that case only you will be selected. And regarding this MT940 format, we discussed about what is MT940 format. So MT940 format consists of opening balance, closing balance. Okay, opening balance, closing balance, and also we discussed about bank account and sectional transaction codes. Okay, so these are all details: closing balance, opening balance, transaction details, and account number details, bank key. Okay, and so some of the things like external transaction codes will be there in this MT940 format. That codes also there, right? 2028, 60, 61. Those things also need to explain. Okay, explain, but that should be accurate. Okay, and regarding this, what is your approach to resolve the ticket during the support project? So that means, so how the ticket will come to your ticketing tool. Okay, there is a ticketing tool, there is L1 team will be there. So on the behalf of user, so L1 team will raise the ticket that will come to your queue, and also we got email from the user. So this is the issue he is facing. What is your action from this area? Like you need to tell once the ticket has been arrived. Once the ticket has been arrived in our queue, so we need to assign this ticket with my name or colleague name. Okay, so if the ticket is assigned with my name, then I need to connect the SAP end user and we'll discuss about the issue, and he will share the screen. Based upon the issue, we need to troubleshoot, and whether this ticket is FICO related or others, that we need to find out first. If it is related to, if the ticket is related to other areas, we need to forward this ticket to respective consultant. If the ticket is related to FI, then we need to check and we need to provide the solution. So for that, we will ask some time to resolve this issue. And if it is configuration issue, I will start configuration the development. After that, so we'll move forward the changes from development to quality pre-production to production. That way, you need to explain what kind of approvals are required and what is the business process for transporting moving the transport request from one place to another, like one system to another. Those things you need to tell. Okay. Okay, anyhow, the interview is okay, but not excellent or not average. You will have to prepare good. Okay, but you know everything, but how you provide the solution, that is problem. That's the reason I almost recommended, please watch videos, 45 videos I'm suggesting every time. If you watch 45 videos, then you will answer each question properly. And also I provided mock test. So if you follow mock test, you will answer every question. Because after the end of the mock test, I've also suggested so many things. Okay, mock test by Chanu SK, just typed on. So many mock tests are available in the YouTube. Almost we placed almost every mock test. Okay, mock test. So many mock tests are there. So at least if you work out to 10 mock tests, you will come to the reality what exactly happened in the interviews. Okay, anyhow, okay, interview, but not good. Prepare next time. So in first interview, everything is not happen. But you know the answers, but how to deliver to the interviewer, that is missed out. Please check and prepare well. And next time, so prepare well. See, you need to prepare how the implementation will happen at the initial stage. That things you need to prepare. Okay. So for SAP methodology, Activate methodology, so we discussed these two things: in which phase you have involved, which phase you haven't involved. Okay, if we involved, what kind of solution we need to provide to the interviewer, like what kind of configurations you have done in the respect to project. Those details you need to tell to the interviewer. Okay, so that was missed out anyhow. Good, but not okay. So prepare well next time. So please watch these workshop videos, these 45 workshop videos. Answer those 45 workshop videos. If you don't know anything, then so don't say I don't know. So I have knowledge. I didn't come across this scenario. I didn't come across this area in my previous project. So anyhow, I will come with a solution. So like that, you just manage yourself. Okay. And if you don't know, tell I have knowledge on this area particularly. Just explain those things if whatever the knowledge you have. Okay, got my point?
Yes.
Okay, so what you have learned during this interview?
I need to improve myself.
Okay, anyhow, with the first interview, everything is not happen. So you have one more time, and like you have 1 day time to attend the interview, but this preparation is not sufficient. And have you attending the interaction group sessions? Have you given any presentations?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, I think you are actively involving in the interaction group session, but presentation is not okay. Okay, so elaborate the things. Elaborate the things. At least talk 1 to 5 minutes. Okay, so interview will stop you. No worry. Okay, interview will stop you, but elaborate the things. Okay. Okay. Anyhow, thank you for attending this interview. Sumit, I am forwarding the materials to you. So you asked about material, then I am forwarding the interview materials. Please check. Okay. I am forwarding in the chat box. Okay. So you download these materials. One minute. These are the external transaction codes. Okay. Prepare this external transaction codes. Just prepare 5 external transaction codes. Mm. Sri, are you working?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So are you working in FSU or any other area?
Core accounting module only.
Core accounting. Okay. Regarding FIDMM integration, we discussed about the moment types along with general modifiers. Please prepare the general modifiers list. So these journal entries are very important. So did you prepare this internal order settlement, asset accounting under asset under construction settlement with internal order? At least to prepare this, very important. Asset under construction settlement with internal order. Prepare this key course. Okay. Okay, Sumit, I will just share some materials to you in the WhatsApp. Please just check it out, okay? Okay, I shared some materials in the chat. Please download these materials. So regarding this note, just a copy and paste any Word document. I will share some materials in the WhatsApp chat. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. See you.